Okay, there we go. There we go. Can you hear me now? Okay, Jyoti, can you hear me now? Just confirm that you can hear me. Testing, testing, one, two, three. It shows that I'm making noises. Good, 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 good. Um, what's on folks' mind today? It's generally, Jyoti, this is generally driven by the folks who attend more so than it is me. So I'm always interested in what you all want to talk about. I can pull up the latest or the newest edition of the newsletter and we can go over what's been announced in the last 7-ish days. That's always helpful stuff. So let me pull that really quick. Folks, let me know what's on your mind. What do you want to go over today? Any particular things you're looking for? Mm, that one. Hello, hello. Well, what's on? Okay. Okay, there we go. Let me go grab this. Whew. All right, bunch of things happening as always. So let's run through them. All right, this is a preview of the newsletter of this week. We've got new enhancements to the change calendar and Jira Service Management, new JPD views, backup and restore feature for they're looking at working on for runs on Atlassian Marketplace apps, new goal hierarchy table and status column in Atlassian Analytics. They're doing some research for Atlassian Analytics. They are working on sidebar navigation, so that's interesting. Cloudbound SF has an event there's going to be an event coming up you should go to that. There's an AMA coming up for automation and playbooks. That may have already happened. Let's see briefly. No, it's coming November 20th. Here's teamwork collection articles on AI strategies. Register for this event. That's going to happen coming up. What date? Let's see. On November 20th. Great. There's also going to be Team on Tour Bengaluru is coming up in India. There's going to be some free data set Jira and Confluence data center versus cloud classes. There's going to be the new team managed fields are going to be arriving on the fields page. So there's more details on that. We can go over that really briefly. I think that's important. So we've got all the fields are going to come on one page. What's coming soon doesn't really say what the timeline is. There could be more information here. We've also got Team on Tour in Hong Kong is coming. Using Jira within Trello. They're removing the Jira list feature in Trello lets you get Jira tasks directly, so you don't need the power up. So that's going to get removed, but it shouldn't change anything. Oh, people have some issues here. They're going to be able to create new issues, so that's interesting. Here's Connect Cloudbound, which I hope folks go. I think I may try to show up at that. It's November 13th. We shall see. The customer service management app that's just posted. So they're starting to show off the CSM app more. Here's a video to give more context. So really interested in that. Deprecation of domains from the Atlassian supported domain list. What is this about? This may be interesting for folks. So they're removing. You can add them to your organization to authorize them from use, but they're being removed from the general list. Interesting. Yeah, don't understand why this is the case, but I'm sure there's a reason. Managing your own allow list for the remote MCP server. Yes. Calling the admins. New certificates. New certificates. This is exciting. What do we got here? All right. So you can be an Atlassian certificate. This is new. Atlassian certificates are different than certifications. So you can have certificates and then certifications. And then there's the Rovo Fundamental Certificate. And then there's the Teamwork Collection Specialist. So if you take all of these, you can get all of those together. That's pretty nice. And they're open books, so that's really easy to do as well. Stakeholder groups and automation for incidents. That's pretty neat. That's slick as heck. That's going to give us the ability to manage stakeholders directly from JSM. And so you can easily add them and reuse those stakeholder groups over and over again, and associate them with services and incidents, and set it up to use automation. Nice. Very nice. Mm-hmm. A new debug view for Rovo agents in chat. This is slick. So now you'll be able to see why an agent did something, what was the scenario that it triggered, what was the request ID for tracking, all the skills involved, and you can copy it all to share with your team or support. Wow. That's really nice. That's good stuff. Looks like folks are struggling to see it a little bit yesterday. Hopefully it's returned today. There's going to be a new event about how to unplug for the holidays using Loom AI and integrations. This is going to be a great one. I wouldn't miss this, November 6th at 8 p.m. Pacific. This is the same Teamwork Collection live event. There's another Teamwork Connection live event. Teamwork Connection live event. All right, so here's the Oktoberfest wrap up and voting hubs. I think maybe voting is done. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's over. Because the winners, though, the winners are number one was for DevOps was Git Protect. Then track all changes, and then the Smoky Docs on the rocks. Interesting. Don't know what that is. This app called Track All Changes is issue history. Okay. And this is what? Bitbucket for Confluence and Jupyter Viewer. Ah, okay. ITSM, app-wide booking, absolutely. The freaking Booking Beaver. Their demo also won for absolutely incredible demo. We also had a couple other folks here. Oh, wait, it stopped. Why? Uh, there we go. SLA time and report for Jira. And this is going to be Asset IT. Draw.io got the first one, a Draw.io demo like no other. Second and third place, should we have for this one? That is Caminardo. Ah, their subspace, SharePoint stuff, and translations. Cool. A new Rovo formatting agent open to work. Interesting. What is this? Ah, Morph AI agent, which is a focus on structure and design from the vectors team. Interesting. And then the Deezer team going over project track. The Deezer team won for strategy and planning, for allocating for Jira. That's very interesting. Um, then there were Here we go. This is more Caminardo, Navitabs, metadata, and view tracker. They mix and fix, cool. And then Links Explorer for seeing your full traceability picture of how things are connected. Pretty great, pretty great. And there's a finale battle this Thursday, October 30th at 9 a.m. Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. I can't believe they're doing that to me. What else we got? Let's see. Rovo for me. Let's get into to assess sprint health. So here's a new thing about how to make the sprint guardrail agent from Sanjay. Sanjay is amazing, excellent, just incredible solution architect at Atlassian. Smart values panel for a new smart values panel for automation, which brings component-based organization. So smart values are now organized by the actual rule components they come from. That means you'll immediately know which component provides the smart value. Oh, that's nice. Nested structure within the visual hierarchy so that you can see multiple layers of nesting. So you'll know whether something's going to be overridden. Oh, interesting. We're going to zoom in for that. Overridden. Nice. And here, visual indicators also let you know if they may not be available for your role. That's nice. The hierarchy. A clear hierarchy. I'm sure enhanced navigation lets you drill down into nested objects more efficiently. I see there. More precise date and time. Oh, that's nice. Date, time, date diff, date time diff. Ooh, that's good stuff. Array formatting support. Oh, the panel now shows you exactly how arrays will be formatted. Array smart values will be formatted. Interesting. Yeah, automation comes in Admin Hub later. Yeah. It's always interesting the way people provide feedback, but feedback is a gift. What else? Post-incident review for the change to... here's the PIR. Ooh. Let's look at this, friends. From Dave, who's the head of product for Jira. Oh, poor Dave. Well, let's look through this. Intent was to improve clarity by consolidating primary actions and declutter an area of the screen that mixed high and low frequency actions. The general availability, we heard strong negative feedback from many customers. Okay, so they reverted the change. Yes. And a new, more cohesive design direction is being planned. So like this is interesting. Hold on. So right, this was their proposed direction. Right, I believe. And this is, they reverted back to this. Ran limited experiments. What does that mean? Qualitative UX testing. What does that mean? Oh, the step specification was not explicitly tested. Well, there's a problem. Disciplinary experimentation phase was understated and internal miscommunication and review steps getting missed. Let's go. Yep. We move course and move comprehensive layout changes, appropriate benefits, communications. Yes. We prioritize new this is where new user actions without sufficiently considering the impact of high frequency muscle memory for existing users. Um, Early experiments didn't fully represent enterprise usage patterns and work item complexity. Our communication failed to consider the disruptive impact of this change. That's certainly true. They were all so happy-go-lucky the whole time. They stopped the rollout and reverted the change. Pause all UI changes to the work item view to review the quality of their upcoming changes. Okay, that's a thorough review of the work item view, vision, and roadmap. Good. What's happening going forward? UI updates. Deliver work item improvements in larger, predictable bundles. Yeah. With clear communication to customers and comprehensive customer value. Yeah. Expand targeted reviews with large customers to validate usability for high frequency actions. That's interesting. Balanced experiment. I don't know if that was a problem. Balanced experimentation with longer opt-in feedback periods and Jira Labs and open beta periods to put admins in control of changes. That's true. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Balance what changed with why this helps. Yeah, there's a little too much why this helps going on. Yeah, that's good stuff. Yeah, Mike, I agree with you. Ugh. I gotta tell you. Oh, who's here? Oh, I don't know who you are, Liza Stacy. You're not real. Go away. Thank you. Okay, so oh goodness, that's up. That's funny. All right. Oh, okay. Let's now look at this. Cloud updates. What is this? Are we still reading old things in here though? Oh, these are the weird cloud updates that just don't work the way that I want them to yet. Like I gotta have a conversation with Jens about this because like it's really difficult to understand when some of these things came in, and right now they're coming from Jens, and like this whole giant list of them is absolutely incorrect. Oh, we're still pulling in marketplace updates. Where's the developer changelog 11.2, the Forge dynamic trigger module, the Forge MCP server. That's very cool. The V3 review APIs and the type interfaces for resolvers. All very cool stuff. But yeah, I do need to talk with Jens about that because it's kind of wild. And I think, folks, at this point, unless anybody else has an opinion or a thought or a thing, we're going to head out early today and just say thank you.